Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and today I'm bringing you a review of the Hunter by Tony Beverly in the color Sunset Red. So before I talk about the color, which I think I'll talk about more when the wig is off my head, let me just jump into some specs for you. The bang on Hunter is 4.5 to 5 inches. It's a pretty good bang length. Can be swept to the side or could be worn down. It might need trimmed for people of the short forehead tribe like me. The crown is 8 to 10 inches and the nape is 9. The overall length on Hunter from the top of the crown down to the bottom is about 18 inches. So let me go ahead and show you what she looks like on all sides. So yeah, this one can also be sort of fluffed up, though she's never going to be super poofy. I gotta tell you that right away because this is a 100% hand-tied wig. So the volume's always going to be kind of natural on a hand-tied wig. If you like that extra bit of volume, stick to permateased wigs or partially permateased wigs. This wig also has a lace front, which is basically a bonus on any wig with bangs. So let me go ahead and zoom in on that. You can see they put the lighter color up front in this blend. So very nice. Those those knots blend right into the front hairline. I've got it pushed up a little bit further than I would normally wear it. And I'll show you more of those knots and monofilament features when I take it off to show you the cap construction. Hunter is 3.48 ounces. And she has lots of layering right here that just sort of hug the face all the way down. Very nice wig. I love this color. It's very vibrant, in your face, sort of natural looking coppery ginger, a bit like an Irish red as they say, because it's got bits of butterscotch blonde blended with bits of true copper with bits of sort of a more natural looking sort of auburn in there, a little bit darker one. So very nicely blended. Gets a little darker towards the bottoms. So most of that butterscotch and dark rust color are going to be up here at the top. I'm going to go ahead and take Hunter off now so I can show you what the cap construction looks like. Now as you can tell, this Tony Beverly fiber, I haven't combed this or anything. It looks really natural when the wind blows, which is always nice. Let me show you what the mono top on this looks like so you can see that highlight a little bit better too. Very beautiful. The wind really picked up during this segment, so I decided to do a voiceover here because it's England, it's windy, it happens. So anyhow, this is a 100% hand-tied wig, has an extended felt nape with Velcro adjusters in the back. She's also got lots of polyurethane in the cap, which is really nice. She's got them on little patches of polyurethane on the ear tabs, as well as right above the tag, above the nape there, as you see. Now these are great because you can choose to put adhesive there or not, because the great thing about polyurethane as opposed to silicone is that it won't stick to your biohair if you have biohair in that area. Also, this wig has 0 permatease in it. It is completely hand-tied, doesn't have any of that poofery going on. It's very nice, and that sunset red color, as I just showed, is a little bit darker at the bottom than it is at the top. You know what? Let me go ahead and show you the 360 one more time. Hunter is such a luscious wig. I mean, this color is to die for, but this wig all by itself is just really gorgeous and layered, especially in the back. Now, this hasn't been brushed, combed, washed, styled, anything. All I've done was play with it with my fingers, so she's ready to go right out of the box. So I'm Heather, I'm from CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching my reviews. This has been of Hunter in the color Sunset Red. And if you have an opportunity, please check us out on social media. We're all over the place. And we've got a YouTube channel, as you probably know, and a store. So we look forward to seeing you next time. Bye-bye.